Trim Taste Cutting Drink is being promoted as a weight loss and energy boosting drink that claims to suppress appetite, increase metabolism, and help you slim down faster. But the real question is whether it actually delivers results or is just another overhyped supplement. The product is typically sold as a powdered drink mix, often marketed with benefits like fat burning, craving control, and all-day energy, usually without very clear ingredient transparency. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Many cutting drinks use ingredients that can slightly reduce appetite or provide mild energy, which can indirectly support weight loss if combined with diet and exercise. However, here's the key issue. There's no strong clinical evidence proving that trim taste itself leads to meaningful weight loss or significant energy boosts. Most of the claims are based on marketing rather than verified research. Looking at real user discussions, the results are very mixed. I don't think it has a direct effect on helping lose weight. Definitely feel way more full and satiated. Some users report feeling fuller or having fewer cravings, but others say the effects are minimal, inconsistent, or possibly just placebo. There are also mentions of side effects like nausea in certain cases. Another concern is transparency. Some users have pointed out difficulty even finding a full ingredient list, which is a red flag for any supplement product. It's also important to understand that most cutting drinks work at best by reducing appetite slightly, not by directly burning fat or dramatically boosting metabolism. So, does Trim Taste Cutting Drink provide a real energy boost or weight loss effect? It might give mild appetite suppression or slight energy, but nothing close to the dramatic results often advertised. The bottom line is that Trim Taste Cutting Drink appears to be an overhyped supplement with limited proof behind its claims. So expectations should be kept realistic, especially if you're expecting noticeable weight loss or a strong energy boost. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.